Having trouble uploading files in ChatGPT? In this video, I will guide you how you can fix that. First thing you want to do is make sure ChatGPT app is updated. For that, open up Play Store or App Store and search ChatGPT. If you find the update option, tap on that and update it to the latest version. Any bugs in the app will be fixed. If updating doesn't fix it, a corrupted cache might be the problem. For that, long press on ChatGPT app, then tap on the info option. Now scroll down and tap storage, then select clear cache. You can also select clear data and tap on the delete option. After that, launch open ChatGPT and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it and upload your files again, as these can sometimes block the connection to OpenAI server. If it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall the ChatGPT app. Tap and hold on the app, tap on the uninstall option, and tap on OK. After that, you again want to open up Play Store or App Store, search ChatGPT, and then tap on the install option. As a last resort, contact OpenAI support for further assistance. They can help you resolve persistent issues. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.